we hailed Jamaica's latest medal success at the World Championships in Tokyo. Tajay Gayle won a silver medal in the men's long jump, another medal in the bonus category. Tajay Gayle, of course, has now won the full range of World Championships medals. Gold in Qatar in 2019, bronze in Budapest in 2023, and now silver in 2025 in Tokyo. Interestingly, 5 of the 6 medals won by Jamaica have been won by male athletes, with Tina Clayton's 100 meters silver representing the proverbial rose among the thorns. And with 6 medals in 5 days of competition, that is just over a medal a day, which is good going, especially after the disappointing returns from the Olympics in Paris last year. And just using the current medals per day ratio, we have 4 more days of competition. That could be about 5 more medals for a possible total of about 10 medals. Give or take.